In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, the most gracious, the most merciful, Master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us on the straight path, the path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who have evoked your anger, nor of those who are astray. Verse 1 begins with invoking Allah's name, highlighting His mercy and grace. Verse 2 acknowledges Allah as the creator and sustainer of all worlds. Verse 3 reiterates Allah's mercy, emphasizing compassion and forgiveness. Verse 4 recognizes Allah as the ultimate judge of all beings. Verse 5 affirms the believer's devotion and reliance solely on Allah. Verse 6 to 7 a plea for guidance on the righteous path, avoiding misguidance and divine displeasure. Reflect on Al-Fatiha, seek guidance, stay blessed. Surah Fatiha teaches us mercy and faith. Always remember,